Alright Ryan, this is Cole Pudwell coming at you from Muscatel Subaru on the 2014 Forester Premium. It's got 85,000 miles on it. Very clean car, good tires on it. Selling it at $14,995. Very clean. Previous owner was nice enough to leave you some pretty good floor mats. 85,000 miles. Does have the backup camera, as well as the Bluetooth connectivity for the radio, heated seats, heated cloth seats, nice big panoramic moonroof. We'll take you around back here. Does have a hitch on it already with wiring. Back seats do fold down. Walking around, I don't notice any major dings or anything. No major scratches. Very clean car. Good price.